Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to change password on your Windows 10 device. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do to remove password on your Windows 10 is go ahead and right click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then go ahead and click on Settings. Under your settings, go ahead and click on Accounts. Under Accounts, click on Sign In Options. Over here, you'll be able to see the password option. Click on it. Now click on Change. After that, enter the current password that you've set for your PC and simply click on Next. Now, if you want to remove the password from your laptop, go ahead and leave these two sections empty. That is new password and confirm password. Just leave it empty and click on Next. Click on Finish. And this should remove your password from your Windows 10 device. As you can see, it reads your account doesn't have a password, which means that I've removed the password from my PC, and you can do so as well, as easy as that. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.